Rainforests. Marfe Ferguson Delano for National Geographic Kids. Gleaming green leaves, deep dark shade, hot steamy air, soft ground beneath your feet. Welcome to the rainforest. Slither on the dark and shady forest floor. Huge pythons slip through fallen leaves and twigs. Enormous tarantulas tiptoe across roots. Poison dart frogs hop like jumping jewels. Sleek tigers slink through shadows. Shaggy bears shuffle along, looking for fruit and bugs to eat. Swoosh! Big bats swoop through leafy shrubs and twisting vines. Billions of bugs creep, crawl, flit and flutter. In the understory, tree kangaroos climb, leopards lounge, and lizards leap. The understory is the level of shrubs, vines and small trees above the forest floor. Roar! High up in the canopy, howler monkeys whoop and roar. Macaws screech and toucans croak. The canopy level is above the understory. It contains the leaves and branches of giant trees. Here, hummingbirds zip from flower to flower, sparkling in the sunshine. Acrobatic monkeys swing from vine to vine. Red-eyed tree frogs leap from branch to branch. Mossy-furred sloths hang still as statues. Split, splat, splatter, boom! A thunderstorm moves in. Rain pours onto the canopy and beats against the leaves. It fills the cup-shaped plants called bromeliads with water that creatures will drink and live in. It rolls down the tree trunks and drips off the vines onto the dark and shady forest floor. Can you say bromeliad? Bromeliad. Drip, drop. Rain is what makes the rainforest so rich and full of life, and it makes beautiful rainbows. Rainforest layer cake. A rainforest is like a cake with 4 layers stacked one atop the other. Each layer or level is a different neighbourhood with different kinds of animals living in it. Which layer would you most like to explore? Forest floor. The bottom layer is the forest floor. It is covered with roots, fallen leaves and low-growing plants. It is very dark and shady here because the trees above it block most of the sunlight. The second layer is the understory. It is filled with shrubs, small trees and thick vines winding their way toward the treetops. The third layer is the canopy. It contains the leaves and branches of the towering trees that stretch over the rainforest like great green umbrellas. Flowers, ferns and mosses grow on the bark of the canopy trees. It is bright and sunny up here. The fourth layer is the emergent layer. It consists of the very tallest treetops which poke above the canopy here and there. Rainforests around the world. Tropical rainforests are very special places. In fact, more than half of all the different plants and animals on Earth live in rainforests. That's why it's so important to protect rainforests and keep them healthy. The plants and animals that live there need their rainforest homes to survive. This map shows where on Earth tropical rainforests are located. Can you find where you live on the map?